hey bela biri ke re nka re motho wa nrekela biri ka weekend mampha weekend a ke tshwane motho ampha ntho eo a ke se tlwele biri guys biri ka e rata ke nkgodisitse a ke se tlwele ko e buputla weekend ko e hodisa sukiri nyakore e kodimo hape
Cela umshakela ukuthi likhona yini ikhekhe lamahala la alikho awuliboni nawe futhi angisacela umshakela ikhekhe lamahala ukuthi likhona yini la alikho
Banyana ba science bolong akele tshweleng mentality ya lona
le la bana ba South Africa ba banyana bomma bana ba banyana tloelang o tloela bana ba lena ba ya bjaleng ba sena tšhelete
Lezingane zino 21 years I'm sure njengoba kuthiwa enye beyenza teaching enye ikwi beauty industry shuthi zihlaba abantu abasebenzihlala emqashweni abazali bazobazi ngani ke 24/7 ukuthi baphi labantu ngoba abantu abasebenzihlala emqashweni labo bantu sebe kuyimaya impilo zabo ziqala bethi bayazijabulisa. Hayi guys hayi ngeke uyabona nje mesikhuluma kwesisikhathi asicabangi nathi ukuthi nathi sinosisi abancane nathi sineyingane ezincane ezisakhula ngeke uzoyazi ingane yakho ukuthi ikephi 24/7 ngeke uzoyazi shuthi futhi ke shuthi uma ugroove wena uhamba igroove shuthi u deserve ukufa wena uma uhamba igroove or uma uphuzile into oyithengelwa umuntu engashongo umuntu naye emekunika lonto ukuthi la lento engikuthengela yona ngifuna ungenzele something mongayenzanga leyo nto ngizokubulala.
It's time we call a spade a spade. Ngudisisa ne re sa hatella majita and then mohongwe mo re sa hatella dibedi. Mara most importantly mo sa hatella majita. Umedi o ile go bya lengwe sa tshwara zaka. Ngutla ne ka mkhobanyana ba yang tlapong ba lebelletse hore ro krea ba shimane da ba rekele drink. Ro krea ba shimane ba rekele byala. Ke ka mkhoma jita tlhapang a yang tlapong ba yo reka ba renya ga banyana re ba rekele byala ro nyoba o nguluri ke reng ko botsa nnete bla ke re ke sefatlhego ke I'm calling a spade a spade ka mkhobanyana ba yang tlapong le cheleta bolt asna yona ya go wella morao then has no tlhapela ke di champagne tsa hao ha ntshe mantswe a hore a ka o khopela o te thopile o te thopa o tlhantsa lebeletse hore yena o targeta. That thing is false pretense. Wa itse hore o nyakang a o fa yona ntsa o thwekela ntsa jiva o ikirile ntho e nyakang e fang demons le bona ntho e ba e nyakang cause le bona ba ile ba laletse hore bo kira dimedi ba nyoba o ngutlisisa ne a ke bolele ka bale ba hore ba tshware poso ba romele waiter ba re botsa ngwane le hore o pila a romele 6 ha fetsa sa nyaka di number or byang o reketse o tlohe generally how o tlhantso o tenwela special sa hao or di cocktails tsa hao tsa mahala o ye VIP o di nwe di champagne tsa o ira 20,000 ha fetsa o makale he ba o botsa ka marao banyana ba mara mo e bang fejo mo e bang fe wa ngudusisa hape a uthile ona di balo last minute bana di kente se tsa thomo tshentse di tlhaloganyo o luza habedi phela o luza zaka o luza le marao a shiala tsamaya wena no to potso re win. We call a spade a spade. Le ka kwata le ka ndwa or leirang let's call arboleleng nnete banyana ba ya ditlapong ba lebeletse hore bo kra mapara ba banwa ene mapara le bona ba lebeletse hore bo kra banyana ba banyoba fella da a ona o ithaopa ona nga ena patla bo botlhellalane ke win le lallane bo botlhemola e tswalleng mtshwara ne ya ke letse le music ya jokunya ga lenkutlwe
Mina yazi ngimo worried ngalo muntu ona 38 indlela acabanga ngayo nje from eqaleni kuze kuyofika egcineni ukuthi ayenzi sense umuntu ona 38 a fully developed frontal lobe yomuntu ona 38 icabanga kanje ukuthi nje othi ngibathengele utshwala I'm sure bazonginika lento engiyifunayo uthi ngibathengele utshwala ulithengele lo tshwala baphuze mase ungasayitholi lento oyifunayo othi ngibabulale iyayenza sense kumuntu ona 38 engimele ngabe unomfazi nomuzi ukwakhe nje uthi ngibathengele utshwala uthi ngibabulale hayibo guys ngiworried mina ngiworried ngalo wamuntu ona 38 ukuthi khona ngalesikhathi ekhula khona la engahambanga kahle khona ngiworry. And baningi la kwi-society yethu abantu abakanje angazi singaba sefa kanjani, ba very very dangerous, ba very dangerous.
Most women ke masepa batho, and if what I'm saying is affecting you, o le sepa la motho vele. And the reason why I'm saying this is because of a simple reason. There is a new law that is coming. And this law is going to affect the victims of rape. And I wanted to say rape, but I must call it the way it is. And I hope this video reaches a lot of you. This tendency of the sisterhood complex of I'm a girl's girl and not wanting to hold one another accountable is going to cost a lot of victims not to get the justice that they deserve. You have not held women that have been saying and accusing men for false rape accusations. Now, the government is saying that if a man has evidence of living with you or going to you to an event or a place, and he's got pictures and videos, that can be used in the court to prove that he did not rape you. It can be proved as...
This situation, Mumzansi in South Africa, we need to look at them from three perspectives. The first one is that we need to address the criminal behavior. The second one is that we need to address the victim blame, which is implicit and explicit. Some of the people there say they're giving advice, but they're victim blaming. And thirdly, we need to talk about the lifestyle choices, the risks and the responsibilities that are involved in the lifestyle that young women or women are choosing to live in South Africa. Okay? The criminal behavior, let's start there. There's no way we will want to put the whole blame on women. How can I? Because when we do that, we are excusing a criminal behavior, which is murder. How can I, guys? This thing is not a ground of justification. Victim blame, what's a ground of justification? Or they got what they deserve, what were they doing there? These girls, we always tell them this and that. Still, they don't deserve to be killed. Murder is not a ground of justification for discipline or to say, yeah, it's how they're going to learn. No, because now it means what are we saying? We are turning a blind eye on this criminal behavior of killing young girls. No, guys, how conale? So there's an issue of criminal behavior of killing women. It's wrong. It's wrong. Like, no one has a right to take the life of the next person. All of us, we have a right to life and we have a right of dignity. Men, women. All of us, it's our right. It doesn't matter. We all have a right. Okay? So, secondly, like I said, victim blame. You can give advice. You can indicate how a woman needs to be careful. But there's no way you're going to victim blame. It doesn't work, Mabara. It doesn't work. Because you are turning a blind eye on people who are killing our sisters. No, it's not okay. It's unacceptable. We're not going to do that. It's not okay, guys. So, lastly, women, young ladies, you can see the life in South Africa, how dangerous it is, even for us men. So, your lifestyle choices, look at the risks that are involved. You have a responsibility to take care of yourself as much as you can. I'm not saying this to ignore or to dismiss the fact that we have a serious issue here, a criminal behavior of killing women. But I'm saying, as a woman or as a young woman, you have a responsibility to be careful in the lifestyle you choose and know the risks that are involved and be responsible as much as you can. I'm not saying this to dismiss the criminal behavior of murder. I'm not even victim blaming, but we can't look at this from one point of view. No. South Africa has become a terrible place. It's no longer safe. And we need to continue to demand accountability from law enforcement. Readiness community, expose these people who are doing this kind of things. That's a criminal behavior. And we're not going to use a criminal behavior as a form of punishment, as a form of consequence, as a form of lesson to teach these young women and girls and say, yeah, they had it coming. No, guys, that's cruel. That's evil. We don't do that. If you give advice, give a balanced advice without turning a blind eye on the criminal behavior. You can't just only focus on girls and say, yeah, that is why they're supposed to be going to churches. They're supposed to be not going anywhere. Oh, so that means they should be killed when they don't go to churches or they don't stay at home. Is that what you're saying? No. We all have a right to life. We all have a right to dignity. But women, please be careful. Be responsible. Take the responsibility or be careful. Life it's messy. People are psychotic. People are sick. So as a woman, take care of yourself. Be careful.
Munola chelete la we berekela bima. Asela mathomo mushimano lo ba mira tabatsi. Le nonna le amohela le tsheya bana di astropes. Lo ena government ya hore banyana bana le di right tsa ho nwa banna. Ke bazela yona ela ba ireng. Ruka botlhoko mara lena banyana. La thang le bono ruilwa o ya bya le ngotshwere chelete e leng ya hao. Tloela o ya gore o nwa bari ka o bontsha tsa selengwe ya fetwa skela. Bari ya fetwa ya batleva ya o ruta molao. O bona o rutile molao o ka setshweleng o bua mo lefatsheng. Bonang hawani le tlolo fora ke motho re ona le right tsa o forova ya motho ka chelete ya hae. Chelete la ke ya hae da man. O iberekitse. Tloela mo ya ba le ngo sna chelete o tshepile kukwa le matswele. Awa.
Hore majita pila le re banyana ba ye kae le re basadi ba ye kae pila because awa o nna bjang entitled to body ya motho mong o khona bjang ho decide hore value ya life ya motho e le kana la estropes wena o rekela motho bjala and then o sa o tshepisang selo ho fetsa o na le claim over body ya hae o ikutlwa hore wena o futhumetse wena batho tshwantsantse se wena o se nyakang ka nako e nyakang ngambane aswa if akhone ho submit to di demands tsa hao tsa bogafi ke mangalu a rutileng batho hore o tsene go tlapa ngore ke le batho bjala ho fetsa o expect hore o tsamaya robala le bona that expectation that sense of entitlement le tsia kae le sebete sa ho bola motho se tsia kae le fa ona fo lutse snacks ngwana wa 21 years le ngwana wa 22 years ba swele hore wena o spendile hore ka di estropes Lena le butsi wishem le butsi le lo snacks kore a ke hani man le lo snacks ko nyaka ba re ne le dumellane a change di minds. She reserves the right to do that. Ona le right to change bona the moment I feel ngore ha sa le comfortable with that ha comfortable anything away batlang we enforce beyond that shame or wrong bona ibile ha no re aina excuse le ngebe go lo ka mpotso re ne le dumellane a etsang a hona mo leng right di tshila lo di right. Two young girls ba swile ba tlhokofetse ba bolailwe for eng ka re mo khala bena bonyetsi beno bana ba tso go ra ke tlhalohanye like hey shem ai kriya majita ke gore ka if sale wa ikriya wena o ikutlwa gore ngwanyana o nwile and then o hafetsa ha ba tlo submit so o kwatile just think about it o ipotsa gore wena ntshona go na bjalo no le right na shem ali butsi le justice system yana ya rena e hona le mo tsa maimpi hona le mo di penalty tse tshwantseng di boe go bolela nnete o just thunya thuwa motho tlho the next thing wena wa tsamaya rena re tatela taxi wena o bizu jama hobe ka tšhelete tsa rena tsa di taxi o jama hobe go tronkong yes ba busy ba re wa study go tronko study yang re bem taxi tsa rena to good use batho a o no re go patela motho a bola e batho yena tsa fela a tloe a yo nna go mampurukwa a yo fepiwa a yo fepa ke rena lena ha o khona le shem ai khona hale ko re ntlo tsemoshimano di rileng ke di tshila shema ke go botsa maka yo re ke tsoma video nyo itse
gender based violence le tlhakisha basadi ga basadi ba reno ba re tšhabela ke enyeo ka re le yona ke men abuse ba re abuse le tsa tšhate re berekela ga be imaiwang re emetse go supervisor ja ditlatla re kitimang ka re rena bana ba bannyana ba re go dimile fast wena o fetse o tlo ena wa tšhaba na o ka nna wa ntšhabele ka go gatlana le yone monateng ke ya go gata ke ya go tlapa amaphodisa e tla ke ya ba botsa gore ntho ya se gender based violence ke revenge. It's a self defense ke defenda potla tšaka le re tloetša ka bannyana ba re eno ba tšhabe a fetšo eno se dira e berekele ke berekela ga boima tšhalete le nna ba fetša ba re pari e tlo go tlapa ge ya go kry next weekend.
And let me tell you, as a mother womfana nowentombazana, it pained me mangibona this Tebogo nesi guy a court, you can tell ukuthi ingqondo sezibuyile manje. You can tell ukuthi this guy is regretting this. We need to have a conversation nabafana namantombazane bethu. And I'm not going to have a conversation yokuphuza utshwala babantu manje noku-expect ikhekhe mawuthengiwe utshwala. This is not the time. Anime kancane naleyo. But we need to have a conversation nabafana bethu on how to accept a rejection and how to deal with a rejection and how to control their own emotions. Because at the end of the day, uTebogo, yes, has killed abantu abayi-2, has almost killed omunye umuntu. But at the end of the day, he also has family. He also has abazali and cousins and friends ababhlungu ngale nto ayenzile. So I don't know, mina I felt sad, like kubhlungu when I watched that guy ecourt ubheke phansi unamahloni, kubhlungu nakimi. I do not wish nokuthi abasekhaya abafana could go through that, no matter what the reason is. I wish I could sit down my nephews ngibatshela ukuthi ungasiphakamisa isandla emntwini wesifazane, rather call us bomamncane bakho no mama benu usitshela ukuthi ma I'm hurt, ma ngiyakhala, ma ngihlukumezekile, my girlfriend yami yenzo A no B no C. Because nathi mindeni yabafana siyahlukumezeka uma beboshwa, uma bebulala abantu, uma benza into ezwrong. We need to work together as a country. This is not the time for ukuthi sihlukanise abantu besifazane nabantu besilisa. This is not the time. There are so many people abathukanayo even on my videos uma sikhuza. Angesikwazi ukungakhuza. Ingane zethu ziyabulawa, siyabulawa, nabantu besilisa bayabulawa for that matter. For you guys to come here nizothukana isuseni indaba ye-10,000 rands ayikho. Ibhlungu into eyenzeka kuTebogo, ibhlungu into eyenzeke kuDesmond, ibhlungu into yokubulawa kwa the cousins, kubhlungu konke guys, bonke ubhlungu buye enhlizweni. This is no time for us to celebrate izinto ezibhlungu. Zibhlungu. I am putting myself in the shoes zabantu bakabuTebogo. I am putting myself in the shoes zabantu bakabulontomazane. I am putting myself in the shoes zabantu bakabuDesmond. Usisi kaDesmond spoke today esecourt ngaphandle ithi my brother was released izolo, but wafike wa-complicate futhi, we took him to another hospital. Zibhlungu zonke lezi zinto futhi azinabulili. This is no time for men and women to be fighting over into gender ukuthi abantu besifazane benze lokho abantu besilisa kwenza. We need to work together because akubi more painful kimi makushona umuntu wesifazane, akubi more painful makushona umuntu wesilisa. Ukufa nje kwabantu kubhlungu. Let us grow up. Let us grow up. Madoda, we have no business uthi almost 40 utshola nengane ezina-22. Izingane ezina-22 baby girl bam nibancane ingane zami. Awukwazi ukuthatha impilo yakho uyoyinikela kumuntu ona-38 who's old enough ukuthi makabe ubaba wakho. Siyacela ingane zethu deyithanani nodwa nezingane. Yikani ukujola nabantu abadala. Abantu abadala ake nihlukane ney'ngane bancane basafuna ukukhula. Hayi nesikhulumisa South Africa kubhlungu guys, kubhlungu. I don't want to lie. It's painful all sides. It is painful macala onke. This is no time for tukane. This is no time for tukane, especially when you don't have the right facts. Especially man zositshela nge-10,000 rands engekho. I will talk about the transactions that happen ema-tavern nasemaklabhini, but not kule case. That case is not about that. Get me on that one.
Ana ke tlo lo botsa ma 2000 ke tlo lo botsa ba bangwe ba tla ikwa ke ba re ke a ba roga bangwe ba tla ikwa gore ke bolela nnete. Le bolaya ke fishing, le bolaya ke go tseba dilo ja boleng ba redimo, le bolaya ke go tseba dilo tša go ba le boleng ba redimo. La reka tsona la diapara la dinwa, la bona e kare le diapara le dinwa le di Slay Queen. Go ba Slay Queen a se go nwa estropes, a se gore o nwa estropes o Slay Queen. A se la re opera ntela jumpsuit ela le na condomana ela go tlho ya go ba le zipi ka morago o ra ro Slay Queen. A se gore opera Steve Madden, a se gore o se re peka Luela wa present le sa Luela o ra ro Slay Queen sese. Bophelo ba bo Slay Queen o botlela ka mediro e mebotse. Ka o le Slay Queen o tlo go dira ka monna wa gago wa go bontšha wa go rata o e ka gago le bana a gore ke tškoloi o iketlile o le botepu. Tše ja go kenganga ka ja go kenganga di title ntšha dikuku gore le tlele ke dimishe banna ba bagolo ba ile gore ba ne di stress basadi ba ba hetile ba shitse ka dizaka ja bona je dintšhi di million tša bona le na ba le boele ba tlhobe le tle le nagana le tlo tšhaba. o batla le bola a ba le bola le hwe elo le bo male ne ba betha di ka di centimeter ka di palms ka di cross my heart ibile ba sne ta ba phela shiwa ibile ba bula bana ba lena asaka ba tsba fishini kana kwa bo male ne o sne luluela o ro reke jimsadi ta ja go tura goal star o mozami majake di uluela ke di Steve Madden ke di what ke di nchi na re di tsebe Kumale na ba di tsebele ge le barakela ba di via ba ka jona di khonyeng tshedingo ba ka jona mashimo a ba di tsebe ba di tlhakatlhakantse ba jejela ja bona ja go sidia ga ne wena o re barakela ja go tura a ba tsebe ko sta so ba page lena lo bala isha go rata dilo wa pare dikobo ja go tura o no bela wa go tura le mma wa sne 40 ranta fire aba lo bola
ene di comment under di post tsa bana ba le ba tlhokofetseng di comment tsa batho ba go lo ba commentang hore ya but those people are very young, they should have stayed home chomi bana ba le hore ba tsamaile ba phela ka mkhone ba phela ga efe any one reason ya hore motho a bolaiwe ba ba bolaela eng ene ba nna hona ba nna ke feel hore ko monateng he o rekela motho beverage o rekela motho istropes or o savana or eng be specific what you want with that person motse gore le anwa tsa sipi ya bela bola khonu yitso mo go robadiwe o mmotse gore wena bela ba go botsamaisana le thobalano so that ngwana batho khonu ba na le decision ya o hana o ra dumele because of hona ba nong ke feel gore le no create di reason for polao. I am disgusted and in disbelief ka bona di comment tsa di adults di adult fela ka mo comment section hore ya ke re ba nwele batho so bana batho he ba nwele batho ba deserve go bolaiwa. You don't even know what happened to Mbale, like Alits. And hona ba no batho South Africa people are dying like flies. Ho tlhokofadiwa from Monterbush whether ka montlung whether go mmereko whether go library whether ka monna fila hore o nyo go nyela modima basadi.